Google Pay is a digital wallet platform and online payment system developed by Google. My name is 𝗙𝗪𝗓𝗂𝗓. Welcome to my channel. The old Android Pay and Google Wallet have unified into a single payment system called Google Pay. If you haven't downloaded the Google Pay yet, you can find a link in description box, and through that, if you download Google Pay, you can get 51 rupees as a joining bonus. Today, Google Pay widely used for sending and receiving money, for making the bill payments, also for recharging our phone, and also you can make payment in shops where Google Pay is accepted. This video is a very simple tutorial about how you can set up Google Pay in your smartphone. If you are watching first time a video in this channel, hit the subscribe button, also enable the bell icon. So let's go to video.
So guys, before I begin, I would like to tell you it's deeply checking information about Google Pay. So if you are looking for a quick solution, please skip the video at the beginning. So here we go. So let's download the Google Pay first. You need to open the Play Store and search Google Pay. So once you type Google Pay, you can find the app like this. So already I have a Google Pay account, so I have I have deleted it for just making this video. So now app is being downloaded. So now let's open the Google Pay app. This is one of the most trusted app for making the money transactions. So when you open the Google Pay first, you will get an interface like this. So it will ask you to enter your mobile number. There are a few things which you need to be very careful. Now you can find that there are two mobile numbers in my phone. You cannot choose your favorite number out of this. You need to select the particular number which you linked with your bank account. And also you should make sure that the particular number which is linked with your bank account, it should be in SIM slot 1. If the SIM is in slot 2, then it will not get verified. So make sure that SIM is already in your slot 1. So here I am going with my SIM number 1. So that is the number which I linked with my bank account. So you also make sure that it is in the same format. And another thing to notice is that you can't have a SIM in different phone and Google Pay in this phone. So SIM should be in the same particular phone where you are downloading the Google Pay. So now I will go with my mobile number here. Related Google Pay, if you have any query or any doubt, you can just WhatsApp your details to this particular number which I am entering here now. So after entering the mobile number, you need to press the next button here. So just recheck your mobile number. If it's okay, if it's good to go, you can press that next button. Once you press the next button, you will get this kind of window. You will be asked to choose a Google account. When you choose a Google account, make a proper decision, because whatever the name you choose, that will reflect as your profile name in Google Pay. So sometime in your phone you will have some multiple Google accounts. So you have an option. You can choose. See, now here I have 4 Google accounts. So I am choosing one account out of that, and that Google account name will be displayed in my Google Pay wallet whenever other people search my profile. So now it's being verified. So OTP is already received. Once you reach in this window, you will have 2 options here. You will be asked for setting up a secure PIN here. You have an option like use your screen lock, and another option like you can use Google PIN. See, this is about, it's a money transaction app, so it should be very secure. Without your permission, others cannot use this one. So that's why Google Pay asking you to keep a lock for this particular app. So you have option like you can keep that same lock which you have already in your phone. I mean to say your screen lock. Otherwise, you can have a particular special PIN only for Google Pay app. For that, you need to select that use Google PIN option. So once you press that, you will have next another window where you need to create a 4-digit Google PIN. So here I am going with my screen lock because it's a fingerprint enabled phone. So it's better to go with your screen lock itself. And after that, you can just press your continue button. So now the app is asking for that same phone lock. So just you need to give your fingerprint. Otherwise you have to give your phone lock here. So if you are using a pattern or lock, just give that pattern lock or pin or something like that. So here I am just giving my fingerprint behind. So now Google Pay app is opened. So you will get first window like this. You have some instructions here, just press on the screen, and very next you will get some kind of message boxes like this, asking permission for SMS, and next you will be asked permission for contacts. You have to allow all these options for the smooth functioning of Google Pay. Next you will be asked for Google Apps permission, location permission, that also you have to allow. Alright, so now here you cannot use Google Pay straight away now because you haven't added any bank account yet. So you need to add a bank account for the app. To do that, you can see on the top there is an option called add bank account. Just go there and click on that option. So once you click on that option, you will get a lot of bank names here. On the top you can see all the premium bank names, and once you scroll down in alphabet format, you can find almost every banks which is supported by Google Pay. In that you can choose your bank name. So here you can find almost every kind of banks, all the regional banks, and some of the cooperative bank also you can find. So here I am going with my HDFC Bank. So again asking permission. So let's that is a phone calls permission. So you have to allow that to verify. So now what Google Pay does is that Google Pay is going to check my account status with HDFC Bank. These all working on UPI platform, a unified payment interface. So whatever the message comes, just give a OK permission. Now Google Pay app is finding my account with HDFC through SMS, and app is verifying the bank account. So usually it is very smooth, and it will be done automatically. And here you can see my bank account already found. And next downside you can find enter your UPI pin. UPI pin is something like which you have to enter whenever you make a transaction. That is a secret code. Whenever you make a payment, that UPI pin is required. In some case it is just 4-digit pin, and some case it is 6-digit pin. If you don't know the UPI pin, you can just click that option, don't know your UPI pin, like that. You can get back your UPI pin if you give the necessary details. And if you are at first time creating a UPI pin, you will be getting this window. Here you can see there is a ATM card image here. You need to enter that last 6-digit from your ATM card. ATM card front side you can see there is a 16-digit numbers. In that last 6-digit numbers you have to enter here. After that expiry month and expiry year you have to give. So without a mistake you have to give all that detail properly here. I already have a UPI pin because I already told you that I created already a Google Pay account. So I am going with my UPI pin here, and it's confirming with UPI, and it's already got confirmed and account is added. Now you can see my HDFC Bank account is added to Google Pay. Similarly, you have to add your bank account with your Google Pay app like this. And the advantage is like you can add how many bank account you want, that many bank account you can add. Now I can make a transaction by using Google Pay. I can accept payment also. I can make the payment. Now let's check few of the facilities by Google Pay. Now you can see here I just pressed that new button. A lot of options are there, like mobile recharge, bill payments, bank transfer, like that. And let's find out how we can transfer money to another person. To do that, you need to press that phone number option, and you will get a window like this. Here you need to enter the particular person whom you need to send the money. His mobile number you have to enter here. So I'm just typing my friend number here. Once you type the number here, Google Pay will verify the details. And just press the verify button. You can see the name and his name and number here. And if it's okay, just proceed here. Then I will just go with OK here. Now I will get a window like this. Here I have option like I can pay money to him or I can request money from him. Few transaction which already I made. So I will just show you how to make a payment. So let's select here that pay button. To make the payment, you have to press that pay button. Now you will get a window like this. You will be asked to enter the amount. I will just send 1 rupee to him. And just below you can see, you can mention the purpose there if you want, for what purpose you are sending the money. That is just optional. And then press the OK button. And you have next option like this. You can proceed here with UPI pin, and before that you can find a bank account here. See that particular bank account which we already added, HDFC bank account, you can see. And you have another option here, like you can switch the bank account. See, already we have only one bank account linked with this Google Pay, and downside you can add another bank account. I'll just show you how we can add another bank account. Again, we get that bank list name. From that I will just select one bank account. And one thing, you make sure that the second bank account which you are selecting, that should be linked with the same mobile number. So here I am going with my Paytm payment bank account. So already found the bank account, and again you have to create a UPI pin. Already I have a UPI pin, so I will just enter my UPI pin here. So again it's getting confirmed with UPI. Alright, so now the account is added. Now I have an option like I can choose one account out of these two. So here in this window, whenever you make the payment, you will be asked for choosing the bank account. So here I will choose one particular account. Okay, now I am paying with my HDFC bank account, and very next you can just press that proceed to pay button. So here location permission required, just enter allow button. Now payment is processing, and next window we have to enter the UPI pin. This is a secret pin. It will be asked for whenever you make the payment. In few bank it will be just 6-digit numbers, and I given the UPI pin here, and after that press OK button. Now payment is processing. In some case, sometime payment will be failed and money will be deducted. Nothing to worry. Money sometime it will come back to you. Otherwise, it will go to that person whom you are sending the money. Now successfully I transferred 1 rupee to my friend, and you can find that transaction details, everything. Just click on that amount. You can find that UTI number, everything, transaction detail number, everything you can find. So it's like you can share the even transaction receipt with him. And next you have an option like you can request money from him. So now I paid 1 rupee to him, and now I will show you how to request money from another person. So now I am requesting that same 1 rupee. So just make a request like this. If he approve the request, we will get that 1 rupee back. If he decline the request, money won't come. So this is how you have to make a request in Google Pay. And also I showed you how to make payment by using the Google Pay. So that is a one way. And another option like you can make usually we do the bank transfer, right? Same way you can transfer money to even bank accounts, especially for a person who is not using a Google Pay. We can make direct bank transfer to them. As usual, you have to give your bank account, not your bank account number. You have to give that particular person bank account number here. Twice you have to enter, and you have to enter the IFSC code. And downside you can see reception name, that is optional, and enter the amount and enter the UPI pin, and you can make the payment. And another option we have here, we can make the bill payments here, utility bill payments. You can make electricity bill payment and mobile recharge, DTH, landline, broadband, gas, water, insurance, etc. So all these bill payments also you can make by using this Google Pay app. I will just show you how you can make a electricity bill payment here. So once you press on that, you can find that electricity company's name, and you have to choose your electricity company name out of that, and after that enter your consumer number. Google Pay will fetch your bill and they will show you the bill amount, and after that you can make the payment by entering the UPI pin. And you have plenty of options like that, and you can make given mobile recharge here. So enter your mobile number, and first you need to select your mobile service provider. After that enter your mobile number and give you the UPI pin, and you can make the payment. Once you scroll down, you can find another reward section here. In a short span of time, Google Pay is widely accepted among the people. One of the reason Google Pay provide rewards in many occasions. Whenever we make the transactions, here it is, the reward button. We get a lot of good cashbacks here. You can find an amount there, 1,244. That is the total reward I received so far from Google Pay. So you will get the scratch card like this. You have to scratch it. If you are lucky enough, you will get the cash back. Otherwise it is just a waste of time. Alright, so there are plenty of scratch card you get whenever you make the transactions. And apart from this, you can see downside, there are plenty of scratch card which already I won. And apart from that, you can check your bank balance. To check your bank balance, there is an option in the downside you can find. To check bank balance, choose the bank account and give the UPI pin. Your bank balance will be displayed there. And you have another option here. You can switch your bank accounts. You can add bank account, you can remove the bank account, and you can make one particular bank account as your primary account. To do that, you have to go to settings, and you can find all the bank accounts which is related to your Google Pay. In that, you need to choose that particular bank account which you need to make as a primary. And here I am selecting HDFC as a primary account. So now all the money I will be receiving to my HDFC account, and all the payment also will be made by the same account. So that is how you can choose the bank account here. So there are plenty of options like that.
Hope you enjoyed the video about Google Pay. Do like, share and subscribe. I will see you in next video. Till then,